Living in a tiny home or small apartment gets frustrating really fast when every counter, drawer, and closet starts feeling overcrowded. So today, we're checking out some insanely smart Amazon finds designed to help declutter your space, maximize storage, and make smaller homes feel way more organized and functional without spending a fortune. From clever kitchen organizers and bathroom upgrades to closet-saving storage solutions, these products are seriously useful. And if you want to check out any of them, every single link is waiting right down in the description below. Kicking things off with a seriously impressive bathroom upgrade, this smart bidet toilet seat adds heated seating, warm water cleaning, air drying, and remote-controlled functionality that makes everyday bathroom routines feel dramatically more modern and comfortable. The built-in smart features also improve hygiene while reducing toilet paper usage over time. Since the sleek design upgrades both convenience and luxury together, it feels much more premium compared to standard toilet setups, usually priced around $200 to $400. Sliding into smart storage solutions, this under-sink organizer helps maximize unused cabinet space while keeping cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen essentials much easier to access and organize. The multi-level sliding design also prevents smaller items from getting lost or stacked chaotically underneath sinks. Since compact cabinets often become cluttered extremely fast, this setup works especially well for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or smaller apartments needing better organization, usually priced around $20 to $40. Moving into closet organization, these stackable shoe storage boxes help protect footwear from dust and clutter while creating a much cleaner and more premium-looking storage setup overall. The clear front design also makes shoes easier to identify quickly without opening multiple boxes constantly throughout the day. Since the stackable structure maximizes vertical storage space efficiently, they work especially well for closets, bedrooms, entryways, or sneaker collections needing better organization, usually priced around $40 to $80. Bringing some order into messy drawers, these adjustable drawer dividers instantly separate clothing, accessories, kitchen tools, or office supplies into cleaner, organized sections without needing permanent installation. The expandable design also allows users to customize layouts depending on drawer size or storage needs throughout different rooms. Since cluttered drawers waste both time and space daily, these dividers become a surprisingly useful upgrade for kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, or office setups, usually priced around $15 to $30. Stepping into kitchen organization upgrades, these airtight food storage containers help keep ingredients fresher longer while creating a dramatically cleaner and more organized pantry setup overall. The sealed design protects dry foods from moisture and spills, while the stackable shape maximizes shelf space much more efficiently than random packaging containers. Since clear storage also improves ingredient visibility, these containers work especially well for kitchens, pantries, meal prep setups, or apartment storage organization, usually priced around $30 to $60. Rolling into smart kitchen storage, this bamboo pull-out spice rack keeps seasonings neatly organized while making them dramatically easier to access during cooking sessions. Instead of digging through overcrowded cabinets constantly, the sliding design quickly reveals stored spices in a much cleaner and more visible layout overall. Since it utilizes narrow cabinet space more efficiently, this organizer works especially well for smaller kitchens, apartments, or cooking setups needing smarter storage solutions, usually priced around $30 to $50. Moving over to kitchen counter organization, this large dish drying rack creates a much cleaner and more efficient drying setup for plates, bowls, utensils, cookware, and cups after washing. Multiple sections also help separate kitchen items more neatly while reducing countertop clutter around the sink area. Since the larger capacity improves organization dramatically during busy cooking or cleaning routines, it works especially well for families, apartments, or smaller kitchens needing smarter space management, usually priced around $40 to $80. Now let's talk about this sliding appliance tray. It makes moving heavy kitchen machines dramatically easier without scratching counters or struggling to reach plugs behind appliances. The smooth sliding system works especially well for coffee makers, air fryers, mixers, or blenders that normally stay awkwardly positioned against walls or cabinets. Since it improves both accessibility and countertop organization together, this gadget becomes surprisingly useful for busy kitchens and compact spaces, usually priced around $20 to $40. Heading forward into coffee stations, this countertop organizer keeps coffee pods, cups, syrups, spoons, napkins, and accessories neatly arranged in one compact setup instead of scattered around kitchen counters. Multiple storage sections also create a cleaner coffee-making routine while improving accessibility throughout the day. Since coffee setups can easily become cluttered extremely fast, this organizer works especially well for kitchens, offices, apartments, or dedicated coffee bar stations needing smarter organization, usually priced around $30 to $60. And if you want to check out any of these smart organization finds, every single link is waiting right down in the description below. Heading forward with a useful kitchen gadget, this tumbler lid organizer keeps reusable bottle lids neatly stored and easy to access instead of constantly falling around crowded cabinets or drawers. The compact vertical design also saves storage space while helping different lid sizes stay separated more efficiently. Since reusable tumblers and bottles often create frustrating cabinet clutter, this organizer becomes especially practical for kitchens, pantries, or busy family households needing better organization, usually priced around $15 to $30. Continuing with clean home organization upgrades, these storage bins combine clear containers with stylish bamboo lids for a setup that feels both functional and aesthetically pleasing around the house. The stackable design also helps maximize storage space while keeping snacks, bathroom supplies, office accessories, or household essentials neatly organized and easy to access. Since the modern appearance blends nicely into different room styles, they work especially well for kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, or countertops, usually priced around $20 to $40. Sliding into closet organization solutions, this expandable tension shelf rod instantly creates extra storage space inside wardrobes, cabinets, or laundry areas without requiring permanent drilling or installation. The adjustable design allows users to customize shelf placement depending on storage needs while improving vertical organization dramatically. Since smaller closets often waste unused upper space, this organizer works especially well for apartments, dorms, laundry rooms, or compact storage setups needing smarter organization, usually priced around $20 to $40. Moving into clothing storage upgrades, this closet organizer keeps leggings, scarves, towels, or smaller clothing items neatly separated instead of piling chaotically inside drawers or shelves. The hanging vertical design also saves shelf space while making everyday clothing access much faster and easier overall. Since organized closets instantly make rooms feel cleaner and less stressful, this organizer works especially well for bedrooms, apartments, dorms, or smaller wardrobes needing better clothing management, usually priced around $15 to $30. Moving on, these sheet organizers keep bedding sets neatly folded, labeled, and separated instead of becoming messy piles inside overcrowded closets. The structured storage design also makes locating matching sheets dramatically faster during laundry routines or bedroom organization. Since bedding storage often creates unnecessary clutter, these organizers work especially well for linen closets, bedrooms, apartments, or family homes wanting a much cleaner and more organized storage system, usually priced around $20 to $40. Rolling into smart laundry gadgets, this retractable clothesline creates a convenient drying setup whenever needed while disappearing neatly against the wall after use. Instead of bulky drying racks constantly occupying space, the retractable design keeps laundry rooms, bathrooms, or balconies feeling dramatically cleaner and more open throughout the day. Since air drying also helps protect delicate clothing, this gadget works especially well for apartments, compact homes, or smaller laundry setups needing flexible functionality, usually priced around $20 to $35. Switching into entryway organization, this wall-mounted key holder creates a simple but surprisingly useful place to store keys, wallets, mail, sunglasses, or everyday essentials before leaving the house. The compact wall-mounted setup also reduces clutter around counters and tables, while keeping important items easier to find quickly. Since misplaced keys waste time constantly, this organizer works especially well for apartments, entryways, dorms, or busy households needing better daily organization, usually priced around $15 to $30. And stepping into bathroom convenience upgrades, this self-adhesive towel holder provides a clean, organized place for towels without needing complicated drilling or permanent wall damage during installation. The renter-friendly design also makes setup dramatically faster while still keeping towels easily accessible after showers or daily use. Since smaller bathrooms often lack proper hanging space, this organizer works especially well for apartments, dorms, or compact bathrooms needing smarter organization solutions, usually priced around $15 to $30. Now, adding another smart bathroom organization gadget, these adhesive towel hooks create quick hanging space for towels, robes, bags, or accessories without requiring screws or tools during installation. The compact, minimalist design also blends nicely into bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms without making walls look cluttered or overcrowded. Since unused wall space often gets wasted completely, these hooks become surprisingly practical for smaller homes and apartments needing simple, everyday organization upgrades, usually priced around $10 to $20. And closing out the lineup with a surprisingly satisfying kitchen upgrade, this large stone drying mat absorbs water quickly while keeping countertops dramatically cleaner around sinks and dishwashing areas. Unlike traditional fabric mats that stay wet longer, the stone surface dries much faster while reducing moisture buildup underneath dishes or cups. Since cleaner countertops instantly improve kitchen appearance overall, this gadget works especially well for apartments, kitchens, or compact spaces needing smarter drying solutions, usually priced around $30 to $60. And that wraps up some of the smartest Amazon finds for decluttering and organizing tiny homes and small apartments. And if you want to check out any of these organization finds for yourself, every single product link is already waiting for you right down in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.